Hi everyone, with Traffic RockStars, this is Brandon Grattini from BrandonGrattini.com. And today we're going to teach you how to install an opt-in form on your web page. In this video you're going to learn how to register for Aweber, how to use an opt-in form template, how to generate your opt-in code, and how to install your opt-in code on your web page. Alright, so here I am at Aweber.com, and Aweber is where we're going to go to sign up for our opt-in forms and autoresponder series. So all you have to do is go to Aweber.com and you can sign up right now for just $1. That's just a little trial, see if you like it. It's one of the best programs out there and I highly recommend it. But I'm going to go ahead and sign up for this $1 trial to Aweber, and I'm going to go ahead and fill out this information, and I will see you on the inside. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and registered at Aweber.com, and this is the entry screen that I'm going to have. And once you do that, you're just going to enter a list name, so click do this step. And since I'm going to put this on fast how-to videos, I'm just going to go fast how-to. In line description, I'm just going to say fast how-to. Notifications, I do not want to be notified every time somebody signs up. So I'm going to go ahead and go to step 2. Confirmed opt-in. Now this is if you want a double opt or a single opt. So I do want a double opt because I believe that the lists are more reliable. Yes, you could probably build it faster if you turned it off. However, you know, most people will put in a fake email address then. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. This is just the generic confirmation message. You can certainly go ahead and change that. For now, I am going to leave it as it is. And then a success page, so where you're going to land when somebody does opt in. So I'm going to go http fasthowtovideos.com / and then I'm going to go ahead and name a page confirm .html, and that'll be the page that I sort of let people know what they need to do in order to confirm that message, to basically to double opt. And then inside my first message is where I'll redirect them to the actual page that they'd be signing up for. We're going to go ahead and click next. Okay, so now that we've got this all set up, we want to try to get our code here. So we're going to come over to Web Forms. We're going to create a web form. It's going to give us some popular choices of what sort of forms that we want. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick one of these for now, and I'll go with big arrows. Let's make the arrows red because they certainly draw attention. So I'm gonna go with that, and we'll load that template. So this is sort of what I want it to look like then. I will go to step 2. I'm just going to call this fast how-to again. Thank you page will be a basic version. We'll go ahead and save that. And then we're going to click that. We're going to go ahead and install this. So we're just going to highlight this script and we'll copy that. And we are ready to go ahead and install this into our web page. So I'm going to go back to that web page that we initially created, our index page at fasthowtovideos.com. And I am going to say something along the lines of register here for more advanced videos. So if you want to learn more and get some in-depth on some of these videos that we've talked about, then you just go ahead and you can opt in here. So I'm going to make it bold. I'll raise the font a little bit, add some color, and then just for a placeholder I'm going to throw some X's here. It just makes it easier for me, a little trick, so when you go into your HTML source tags it's easy to find. So here's our X's. So I'm just going to highlight those, and if you remember, we copied the script for the opt-in form, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste over that. That's in there. Now you're not going to be able to see it right away, but all you have to do now is go back to your cPanel and upload the new index page and just have it overwrite, and your new page will show. So I'm going to pause this video for just a second and show you what we end up with. Alright, so here's where we are at fasthowtovideos.com, and you can see that one tiny little piece of code is all it took, and that preformed template built our little opt-in script for us, and that's all you have to do to install a script on your basic HTML web page. For some reason, these opt-in forms seem to intimidate a lot of newbies before they actually do it. As you've now witnessed, this is very easy to accomplish, and pretty much anybody can do this. Hopefully you take this information and install your opt-in form today and start capturing leads on your website. With Traffic RockStars, this is Brandon Grattini from BrandonGrattini.com.